morning, everybody. We are at camp. We're kind of like packing up, but we're taking our time about it because we're not on any kind of schedule. The expo doesn't start until Thursday, so we're just gonna explore around the area. We got in to the Flagstaff area around 9 last night, and then local time, and then we pulled into the campsite around 9:30. Set up, made ourselves a little something to eat, and then we went to bed. And then looked around the camp area just to see what was there, and of course, you know, trash, random trash. So we'll put that in the garbage bag and take it with us. Do better, please. Like, seriously. Either take your trash with you or just don't come out here. And seriously, stop burning or trying to burn cans. Aluminum cans. They don't freaking melt. They just stay in the fire pit. So yeah, like, seriously, do better. We're probably gonna just look around this camp area a little bit more, see what else is here, and then mark a couple of other dispersed camping spots or what have you. Mormon Lake isn't too far from here. I think there's another one, Horse Trail or something lake, is a couple 100 meters away. And then, I don't know, Sedona's not too far, and we... Sorry, don't know what happened there. So yeah, Sedona's not too far, and we can probably get off road and head down to Sedona as well. Or drive Schnepley Hill down and then go over to Sedona after that. But either way, like, one thing is for sure, we're definitely going to end up at the Grand Canyon before sundown today. I'm going to find a nice little spot out there, set up camp, and chill. I don't know what this creature was. I'm going to guess this was a elk and a calf from the looks of it. The small feet and the abundance of feet. So yeah. We shall head back down the mountain. So we made it to Sedona. We are in Sedona, or just outside of Sedona, like 8 miles, and we came down a road that we thought was going to have dispersed camping on it, which it does. However, I want to show you something. You see this? All of the spots, the pull-off spots that are like this, are closed. It's like every single one that we went to was closed. However, they do have a couple of spots open for dispersed camping, but basically what it is you're talking about groups of strangers that are sharing a camping spot, basically. So you'll drive through and you'll see 5 or 6 different vehicles pulled into the same spot. They're all pretty much right on top of each other, and that's not what we're looking for. So, all right, we are on a forest road. We just got off of Highway 3. We are on Sheep Springs Road, and we are going to make our way from here up to the beginning of Schnebly Hill Trail, and that'll take us into Sedona. And then once we get to Sedona, we're probably just going to sit, chill, find a place to have lunch, and take care of some video stuff before we take off and find a place to sleep for the night. So, alright, wish us luck. Okay, so we're going down this hill. I have to have both my hands on the steering wheel right now. I am doing my absolute damnedest to not look to my right now. And this is by far the absolute scariest I've ever done. I think as long as I just look at the road, I'll be alright.
The height or the cliff?
The cliff. Doesn't seem to want to cooperate, but it's up and running now. I just had to stop at this little lookout real quick. Oh, look at that. There's a big ass rock in the middle of this trail too. Ugh. Just look at the road, bro. Just look at the road. Sorry for the sloshing sound. That is the sound of my water container in the back. Gotta admit though, the views up here are absolutely beautiful. Oh, and look at Mark, not even fazed by any of it. Golly.
And as good of a picture as I thought. Couldn't see over my rig.
Man, I'm all freaking hunched over. Jesus, it's burning up in here. So I can't tell, but I think we're getting closer to the bottom. I'm not as terrified when I look out to the right now, so I think we've gotten a lot lower. Not all the way up the top of this thing, and I can speak again. Holy smokes. There's hikers up here. We are back at the trailhead, or at least just about there. Go around this turn, one more, and we're there. But we are definitely back looking at civilization again. I think that's cool. Let me get a picture up here like Mark did. And once again, thanks for watching. If you stuck around to the very end, thank you so much for spending your time watching my content. Don't forget to hit the like button if you liked the video, leave a comment if you have a comment or a question, and please, if you aren't subscribed already, go ahead and subscribe. You could also follow me at Battle Lab Studio on Instagram. And once again, thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.